In this video, we will discuss the difference between var, let, and const. var creates a variable, let also creates a variable, whereas const creates a constant. We will see the difference between var and let in later examples. The difference between var and let and const is that when we store a value in a variable, in const the value does not change throughout the program. In var and let it changes. var is since starting in JavaScript. Let and const came in ES6. var is used in function and global scope, whereas let and const are used in block scope. We will discuss this with the help of an example. Here I have taken a name Sabah. If my name is equal to Sabah in array, I have taken the hobbies of sports and cooking and have console logged it. This I have taken in let. I have taken a function of greet in which age, name and I have changed the name. Before it was Sabah. Here it is Sana. I have done age, name, hobbies. Outside the function also I have console log and then called the function. If I refresh and call, it is printed 5 and I said hobbies is not defined. At 15. It has printed sports and cooking. Now it has come to 50 and I said that it is not defined. It didn't call this function and the error has come. It wasn't called because hobbies are written in if and let is the keyword and its scope is in this block only. It is not global scope, rather local scope. If I do this var, it will not give error because now the scope is global. If I clear the console and refresh, it is printed all. First, it has printed line 5, then line 15. In 15, I have names and hobbies. Printed that. Then it called the function. If function name, age and hobby was coming, if we use within block, then we use let keyword. And if we want to use it globally, then var keyboard. If we want to use it throughout the program. The one within function, I will initialize with let word. This is the main difference.